Okay, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a MPP Solar Inverter LV 5048. It's 5 kilowatts, 48 volts, all-in-one device. Has an automatic transfer switch, MPPT controller for solar power, 5 kilowatt inverter that will be connected to two 48 volts lithium ion. Now this is not lithium iron phosphate, but an NMC used BMW electric car batteries from BigBattery, 48 volts connected in parallel, and they will be connected in parallel to a bus bar. And these bus bars, you can get all these things at Amazon, and these bus bars will be connected to the battery with 6 gauge pure copper wires that will on one end be connected with what we call an Anderson connector. These Anderson connectors connects directly into the batteries and handles the 6 gauge wires that would be crimped on one side, and on the other side it will be crimped to a copper lugs with 3/8 rings, so they'll fit into the bus bars. Now the edges will be heat shrunk with these heat shrinkers, and I had to buy these big crimpers with a lot of force to make really solid connections. Now I didn't want to buy the battery connectors. These can be bought, and it's 1 gauge pure copper battery terminals that will be connected from the battery to the inverter. As far as the AC in and AC out, just get an extension cord, cut it in 2. The male side goes into AC in, and the female is AC out. Another thing to get is one of these ceramic 30 ohm resistors to prevent sparks when the last connection is made between the battery and the inverter. All right. Okay, here it is. The output, the AC output that will eventually go out here. 120 volts AC output, and here's the input that will input in this side here. The input, there you go, the input. Alright, that's the AC in and out. On this side is the DC in, which will I'll hook up one of these big battery cables. I'll go through here, hook up right there, and I'll go down here and hook up there. Okay. Alright, that's the bus bar. This one, this is the other one. This is the other black. There it goes. There it goes there. And hooks up down here. Okay. That's one of these. Alright, there you go, DC in. Now the DC in will be connected with these puppies here, these big old batteries. Alright, I got 2 of these batteries. These are heavy. Alright. These 2 batteries. Alright. The output, that's a positive and a negative coming out of here. Will go here. Positive and negative. And the other one, positive, negative, will go positive, negative. So they're hooked up in parallel. Okay. So here's an Anderson connector here. That's a positive. That's a positive over there. Can't really see it. It's negative. And then this will go in through here. And then this will connect. This will connect here and go through. You know, it'll go through. Oh boy, that's kind of tough video taping with one hand. Okay, I just got to connect these together. Anderson connectors, and this will go into one of these. Here. The other side will be connected to one of these. Okay, and that will connect to here, to the bus bar. All right. There you go. It goes right in there. Okay, here goes. Output 120 volts. Battery. Cool. Let's see if I can charge this in and see if it works. I already shorted L1 and L2, so that way it will charge AC 120 volts AC. Alright, let's see. AC input, cool, 122 volts AC input. Oh, it's charging the battery now, and output is 122. Okay, all we gotta do is connect this to something and it should work. Alright. From there, I charge this, I turn on, let's see if this turns on. Okay. Alright. Light's working. Well, there you have it, connecting a MPP Solar LV 5048 to two BigBattery lithium NMC 48 volts in parallel, and the next project is to just add solar panels to this. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you.